This study examines on how Kripek Berhad, a local food processing small company located in Johor, Malaysia, can increase their efficiency in its transportation and material requirement planning. This study also designed around economical shipping factors to reduce the logistics costs and guarantee on-time delivery to several locations by applying the transportation methods. The second one, to improve the resources efficiency and match the production with demand, the MRP method focuses on inventory management and production scheduling with the attribution of this strategy, which are operational efficiencies addressed, expenses are decreased, and sustainability practice are encouraged. A computed shipping cost was calculated and improved the storage utilization through the proper material planning. There are two important findings that were considered in this project.
Hello, my name is Zena Lenia Lahoping and my matrix number is CD210224. I will present the first chapter, which is Introduction. As we know, industrial engineering is a branch of engineering dedicated to optimize processes and methods to enhance efficiency and productivity. The roles of industrial engineers is optimizing various processes, include engage in all stages of production and processing, design new facilities or improve existing ones, develop new equipment designs and specify procurement requirements, and modify current facilities and tools, develop innovative procedures, and create specialized equipment. To uphold these standards, industrial engineers require a broad foundation in various engineering disciplines and a deep understanding of work processes, equipment, tools, and materials. It allows them to design systems, facilities, and equipment for optimal cost effectiveness, quality, safety, and environmental sustainability. So next, the chosen company for our project is Kripek Berhad, where it is located at Senggarang, Johor. This firm founded on 14 May 2015 and it specializes in producing and distributing a variety of popular chips in Batu Pahat, including Krepek Fendi, Mastuki, Cell Food Industry, Krepek Makja, Krepek Legacy Delicious, and many more. So the company's facilities has a warehouse and factory for production and distribution. So the problem statement that we got from them is, at the moment, the goal in Johor is to ship products to various locations, including Bandar Pengaram, Rengit, and Keluang. Given the distance between each of these locations, all of them are quite expensive. So the objective for this study is to investigate the costs associated with shipping supplies to various locations. The second one is to propose and recommend an optimized shipment strategy by utilizing the transportation method to achieve the lowest shipping costs. And the third one is to apply the material requirement planning method to analyze and assess material planning data, ensuring efficient utilization of storage space and alignment with production needs. The scope of this project are: this study involves and focuses on the production and logistics processes of Kripek Berhad. To apply the transportation method to calculate a cost-efficient shipping plan for delivering products to various destinations. And the last one is to apply MRP method to ensure raw materials and storage spaces are utilized efficiently, safely, and hygienically.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nozul Azri bin Nozlan and my part is about the literature review. related to our study group, transportation and MRP Method required planning. So I have choose 3 or 5 from the report. So the first is about the advanced method for solving the transportation problem by Rib Mahmud Ahmed and Abdul Sattar Somoro, published 2024. The article about the discuss the advanced method for solving the transportation in various sectors, including manufacturing, logistics and supply chain. The method AMSTP present by a promising alternative to existing method for solving transportation problem. So, the AMSTP integrated approach simplifies the solution process, reducing computational time and the number of iterations required. The potential AMSTP to contribute more efficient and cost-effective logistic and supply chain management is significant. Next is setting MRP parameters and optimizing the production planning process by Marcela Melinzakova, Patrick Garage, Jamila Trpchevska and Dusan Mazlinzak, published to 2022. The article describes a methodical framework that combines 2 specific methods of lean management, namely the ABC method and the MRP planning method. By combining these 2 methods to minimize the number downtime within one shift for variant health presented. Next is supply chain management as a competitive advantage for grocery small and medium-sized enterprise in Mahikeng, South Africa by Mona Garawe KF and Motuke, published 2022. The article about the competitive management of supply chain for grocery small and SMEs enterprise in Mahikeng, South Africa. The article investigates the role of supply chain along with enhancing constant flow, product for business continuity, and cost saving for SMEs from third-party logistic transport optimization. Found that supply chain management help SMEs in grocery sector reduce waste and cost, thereby enabling them to be more competitive. The finding more raise awareness of the necessity of adapting supply chain management strategies if business are to be sustainable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazmina. So for the methodology, first our study aim to identify a cost-effective shipping strategy for Kripik syndrome berhad. So we started by setting objective and identifying the problem. Although we initially wanted to get the real data from the company, but challenges in accessing this data lead us to use example data from journals and research paper. So we tailor this data to align with the operations of Kripik. After conducting secondary research, we analyze the data and develop solution using methods like transportation method and material requirement planning (MRP). And finally, we compile recommendation based on the analysis. Next, for the data collections for transportation method, this slide shows the shipping data that we use tailored to the Kripik operations. It includes the number and weight of shipment to 3 destinations, which is Bandar Pengaram, Rengit and Keluang. And also the minimum distance between the location were also calculated, which form the basis for optimizing the transportation strategy. And lastly, for the data collection for transportation, this table represents the transportation capacity for each destinations, including Batu Pahat and Senai as sources. The total supply and demand were balanced to ensure the solution is feasible. The capacity values highlight the resources available to make the shipping needs efficiently. So this value were key in applying the transportation method for our analysis.
Hi, once again, my name is Zainalenia Lohoping and my matrix number is CD210224. I will present our result of transportation method. As you can see here, this is our modeling transportation routes of the pickup system using location problem. And based on the data analysis presented in the table, it is observed that the minimum cost for shipping from multiple origins, including Batu Pahat and Senai, to various destinations such as Bandar Penggarap, Rengit, and Keluang for Kripik Sendan Berhad amounts to 29,310 ringgit.
For the MRP method, I will explain to you the bill of material being exploited. We have been investigated on banana crispy chips, the original favorite. So 1 unit of banana crispy chips original require 1 unit of deep frying cushion, 1 unit of seasoning flavor, and 1 unit of packaging materials. And we move to the set B, which is deep frying cushion. So for the set B, deep frying cushion requires 3 units of peel and sliced banana and 1 unit of cooking oil. So we move to the set C, which is seasoning flavor. Seasoning flavor require 1 unit of sugar and 1 unit of salt. And then lastly, we move to set D, which is packaging materials. Packaging materials of 1 unit requires 1 unit of plastic bag and 2 units of labels and tags. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nur Alia binti Fazali, number matric AD210076. So for the discussion, the first point that I will present to you is the material requirements planning. MRP method and transportation system are crucial factors that affecting our operational efficiency in our daily life. The second one, the interaction of transportation and MRP. There are difficulties and suggestions for enhancing this system are covered in this project. And the third one, both techniques, MRP and transportation, address the important operational issues that are crucial for maximizing the flow of the goods, cutting down on excess inventory. So for the recommendation for MRP and transportation, we start for the transportation method. So for the transportation method, we use transportation management system, which is TMS, to track shipments, optimize routes, and keep an eye on the expenses. And the MRP methods, to optimize the MRP, we use the automated inventory tracking system like the barcoding or RFID. So for the conclusion, combining these two methods allow the Kripik Sendan Berhad, which are the small company that is being investigated for this project, to greatly improve its capacity to effectively meet the market demands while also streamlining the inventory and logistics management procedure. MRP makes effective planning and inventory control in a possible way, while transportation guarantees the actual movement of the goods on delivery time. And lastly, by combining transportation system and MRP techniques, the organization can attain operational excellence, cut expenses, and improve the customer satisfaction.